Automatic video creation is one of the most powerful content hacks today, especially if you already have long articles, blog posts, or written content sitting unused. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the idea of making videos from scratch, scripting, recording, editing, and adding visuals, this video will completely change the way you create content. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn a long article into a full video automatically, step by step, using simple tools that anyone can use, even beginners. No camera, no microphone, no video editing skills required. Why turning articles into videos is a smart move. Let's start with the big picture. Long articles are great for SEO, but not everyone likes reading. Many people prefer watching videos, especially on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. By converting articles into videos, you can reach a wider audience, save massive amounts of time, repurpose existing content, grow faster without burning out. This is where automatic video creation becomes a game changer. Instead of writing a new script from zero, you let AI do the heavy lifting. What kind of articles work best? Before jumping into tools, let's talk strategy. The best articles for automatic video conversion are tutorials and how-to guides, a list articles, top 5, 10 tips, etc. The educational blog posts, reviews and comparisons, evergreen content. If your article already explains something step by step, it's perfect for video. You don't need to rewrite everything, you just need to structure it correctly. Step 1. Prepare your article for video. The first step is preparation. Take your long article and break it into clear sections. Introduction, a main point, examples, conclusion. Short paragraphs work better than long blocks of text. This helps AI tools understand your content and convert it smoothly. At this stage, you're setting the foundation for automatic video creation to work properly. Step 2. Choose an automatic video creation tool. Now let's talk about tools. There are several platforms that specialize in turning text into videos automatically. These tools typically offer AI voice narration, stock video or image matching, auto subtitles, background music, the scene-by-scene video creation. You simply paste your article, choose a style, and the system generates a video for you. This is where automatic video creation saves hours, sometimes days, of work. Step 3. Convert article text into a video script. Most tools will automatically split your article into scenes. Each paragraph becomes a one slide, a one video scene, a one narration segment. You can usually edit the text slightly to make it sound more conversational. This step is optional, but it improves engagement. The key here is balance. Let AI handle 80%, and you fine-tune the remaining 20%. That's the sweet spot of automatic video creation. Step 4. Select visual style and format. Next, choose how your video looks. You can usually select a horizontal, YouTube, a vertical, Shorts, TikTok, Reels, a square, Facebook, Instagram feed. Pick visuals that match your topic. For example, tech articles, clean, modern visuals, education, minimal, readable slides, or motivation, dynamic clips and music. Even with zero design skills, automatic systems make videos look professional. Step 5. Add AI voice or text-to-speech. This is one of the most powerful features. AI voices today sound natural, clear, and human-like. You can choose male or female voices, a different accent, a calm, energetic, or professional tones. The narration is generated instantly from your article text. Thanks to automatic video creation, you don't need to record your own voice. Perfect if you prefer faceless content. Mid-video insight: why this works so well. At this point, let's pause for a moment. Why does this method work so well? Because you're not guessing what to say. The article already contains the value. Automatic video creation simply transforms that value into a visual format that platforms love. This is especially powerful for a YouTube automation, a faceless channels, content scaling, passive income strategies. Step 6. Auto-generate subtitles. Most viewers watch videos without sound, especially on mobile. That's why subtitles are essential. Good tools automatically generate subtitles that match the voice timing, improve retention, boost accessibility, or increase watch time. And yes, subtitles are created automatically as part of automatic video creation workflows. Step 7. Edit only what matters. You don't need to over-edit. Focus only on removing awkward pauses, shortening overly long scenes, replacing irrelevant visuals, highlighting key points. Avoid perfectionism. Speed matters more than perfection when scaling content. This mindset is critical when using automatic video creation effectively. Step 8. Export and publish. Once you're happy with the video, export it in high quality. Then publish it on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest. One article can easily become a one long video, 3 to 5 short clip, a multiple social post. That's the real power of automatic video creation, content multiplication. Common mistakes to avoid. Before finishing, here are some mistakes beginners make. Crossmark copy-pasting without structure. Crossmark using long paragraph. Crossmark ignoring subtitles. Crossmark over-editing. Crossmark choosing random visuals. Keep it simple. Let the system work for you. Final tips for better result. Here are pro tips to get better videos. Use clear headings in your article. Write in conversational language. Focus on one main idea per scene. Always preview before exporting. Stay consistent with uploads. With practice, your videos will look better and perform better, faster than manual editing. Conclusion: turning long articles into videos doesn't have to be complicated. With the right approach and tools, automatic video creation allows anyone to produce high-quality videos at scale, without stress, cameras, or advanced skills. If you already have articles, blogs, or written content, you're sitting on a goldmine. Start using automatic video creation today and transform words into videos that work for you again and again. If this tutorial helped you, like the video, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants easier content creation. And remember, the future of content is faster, smarter, and powered by automatic video creation. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.